Good morning, children. Today we will be doing chapter number 3. Cleanliness is godliness from your reader book. Okay. Cleanliness का क्या मतलब है? Cleanliness means the habit of being clean. Ness is a habit. Okay. Godliness is a ness basically you add when it is a feeling or a habit. Alright. Okay. So let's start with the chapter right away. Aman was the class monitor of class 5. The class teacher was very particular about that everyone should attend the assembly in the morning. That class 5's monitor was Aman, okay, and the class teacher was very particular. Particular means very, उनको चाहिए थी वो चीज़. She was very particular. Let's see what's the meaning. Strict. She was very strict about the fact that everyone should attend the morning assembly. Missing it would lead to serious punishment. If you miss it, it will lead to मतलब the result of it. If the result of missing will be the serious punishment. Okay. Lead to मतलब lead का मतलब होता है ले जाएगा. Missing it will lead it to serious punishment. That day Aman found that Mohit did not attend the morning assembly. That day Aman found that Mohit did not attend the morning assembly. That Mohit was missing from the morning assembly. Okay. On returning to the class, Aman asked Mohit why he had skipped the assembly. When they all came back to the class after assembly, Aman asked Mohit, the class monitor, asked Mohit that why was he not in the assembly? Why did he skip the assembly? Skip मतलब कूद जाना. That means there was something जिसके ऊपर से आप कूद गए. Skip का ये मतलब होता है. Skip का मतलब होता है छोड़ दिया. Okay. They knew that their teacher was very strict about it. So they all knew that the class teacher was very strict about it, right? Before Mohit could answer, the teacher entered the class. Before Mohit could tell Aman that this was the reason I missed my class assembly today morning, the class teacher came inside. The teacher asked Aman if everyone had attended the assembly that day. Now the teacher asked Aman that Aman, did everyone attend the class assembly? Okay. Aman replied that except Mohit, everybody had attended the assembly. So Aman told ma'am that ma'am Mohit was missing, rest everybody attended the assembly. Now see except. Except means उसके अलावा. Excuse me children. Today we will discuss about two other words which are related to expect. Except Mohit. Except Mohit means Mohit के अलावा. ठीक है, ये children focus on the spelling. EXCEPT. EXPECT. Expect. Expect का मतलब होता है कि आप मोहित से क्या चाहते हैं. Expect from Mohit. For example, teacher expect from Mohit. ओके तो मतलब टीचर मोहित से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करती है, वो उससे क्या चाहती है. ओके नाउ सी एक्सेप्ट. चिल्ड्रन दीज वर्ड्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इस वर्ड में सब लोग कन्फ्यूजन क्रिएट कर देते हैं एंड एवरीवन हैज़ अ कन्फ्यूजन बिटवीन दीज थ्री वर्ड्स. एक्सेप्ट का मतलब होता है कि आपने कोई चीज़ ले ली, उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, मान लिया आपने. ओके एक्सेप्ट इट Mohit. मतलब मोहित इसको एक्सेप्ट करो, मोहित इसे ले लो. ओके, एक्सपेक्ट, सॉरी, accept, expect and accept and once more. Okay, let's, confusion is going on again. See, ये accept होता है, ये accept होता है और ये expect होता है. All right, remember these three. Where are we reading? The teacher was surprised and asked Mohit, "Is it true what Aman has said? Did you stay away from the assembly today?" Now teacher came, she asked Aman, who was not there in the assembly, and Aman replied that Mohit was not there. So the teacher asked Mohit that, "Mohit, was it true that you were not there in the assembly today?" Mohit said yes in a low voice. उसने low voice में yes बोला. And stood hanging his head. Stood hanging his head का मतलब he was little ashamed of what he did. Okay. He was sad and his head was down, as if hanging. The teacher said, "Mohit, you know whoever means जो भी misses the assembly is punished." The teacher ने मोहित से पूछा कि मोहित, you know this right? Whenever somebody misses the assembly, he is punished. I would like to know why you stayed away. Now teacher asked Mohit, why did you stay away from the assembly? Means why did you miss the assembly? Mohit told the teacher that he had come to the school in time only, but others had already gone for the assembly. So the teacher, when the teacher asked Mohit that why did you miss the assembly, he said, "Ma'am, I came to the school on time only, but when I came, everyone had already left for the assembly." मतलब बाकी सब already जा चुके थे assembly के लिए. Okay. So he came inside the class to keep his bag. So he came inside the class to keep his bag. वो अपना बैग रखने आया. When he was about to leave for assembly, he noticed that the classroom was in shambles with dust, rubbish and other waste. यानी कि जब वो अपना बैग रखने आया, then he saw that the classroom was very dirty. It was in shambles. Shambles means a disorder and mess. Mess मतलब गंदगी, मतलब उल्टा पुल्टा. Everything was not in place. And disorder means we all know what is disorder. When there is no order of anything, there is disorder. Okay, and there was dust and rubbish. Rubbish means kachra. And other waste, other kind of waste was there. So what do we understand by this? That the class was very dirty. It had rubbish all over the place. It had dust and it also had other kind of waste lying here and there. Okay, that's why we say the class was in shambles. It was not in a proper shape. Proper shape means it was not clean and neat. Okay. The teacher had always told them that cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness का मतलब क्या है? Children, look here. The idea that people have a moral duty to keep themselves and their homes clean. Okay. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? That it is our duty to keep ourselves, our homes, our surroundings, everything clean. Because when there is cleanliness, there, जब चीज़ साफ़ होती है तो हमारा मन भी साफ़ होता है. वी थिंक बेटर, वी डू बेटर, वी आर ईजली एबल टू डू एनी थिंग वट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू डू. If you want to play, if you want to study, if you want to watch TV, if things are clean, we will have God next to us. Godliness means, just like God. Okay, so godliness is only where there is cleanliness. अगर cleanliness होगी तो ही godliness होगी. Okay, so Mohit said, "Ma'am, you have always told us that cleanliness is next to godliness." So Mohit cleaned the room and therefore could not attend the morning assembly. So Mohit told the teacher that because the room was in shambles, I stayed back and I cleaned the whole room, and that is why I could not attend the assembly. He said to the teacher, Since you have taught us that the dignity I'm so sorry. Since you have taught us the dignity of labor, I volunteered to tidy the classroom. Volunteered का मतलब क्या है? खुद से काम करना. Willingly offer to do something. When you willingly मतलब चाहते हुए. आप चाह कर कोई चीज़ करते हो अपने मन से तो उसको volunteer करना कहते हैं. Okay? To tidy the classroom. Tidy means साफ करना. To clean. If I have done something wrong, please pardon me. Pardon means to forgive. Okay? The teacher was moved by Mohit's words and said, Mohit, you have done a wonderful job. When teacher heard what Mohit said, she was very pleased to listen to it. She was moved. Moved means she was not expecting that from Mohit, right? See, expecting. शी वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि मोहित शायद लेट आया होगा या फिर वो खेल रहा होगा या फिर वो कहीं गया होगा या फिर उसने ऐसे ही असेंबली अटेंड नहीं करी बट शी वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट he would have cleaned the room and that's why he did not attend the assembly. So when ma'am heard it, she was very pleased and she was moved by this reply. If everyone thinks and acts according to your views, also ma'am appreciated him that he did a very good job. He did a wonderful job. Okay. Also she said, if everybody thinks and acts according to your views, our school will become the best. So ma'am told everyone and Mohit that if everyone thinks like Mohit, then the school will become very good. Okay. I am very proud to have you as my student. There is no punishment. So then the teacher said, because you did such a good thing, you will not get the punishment today. Mohit was highly appreciated by the teacher who pointed him out as a model to be copied by all others. That means Mohit had become a role model. Role model कौन होते हैं children? जिनको आप एडमायर करते हो, जिनका काम आपको अच्छा लगता है एंड आप उनको फॉलो करना चाहते हो. यू वांट टू बिकम लाइक दैम. ओके, और यू वांट टू डू सिमिलर थिंग्स एज दे आर डूइंग. सो दैट is it, children. This is all that we have in the chapter. Mohit became a role model because he did a very good thing by cleaning the room, and for a good reason he skipped the assembly. That's why he got appreciated as well. Okay, so we have true false. Children, I want you to do it on your own. I have given you clues here. It is already done for you basically, so please do that for your homework and try to answer these questions. We will discuss this in the next class. Thank you so much, children. If any question, you can please ask me.